To create this experiment, the three of us, Eric, Lorenzo, and myself, asked each of the baseball players to throw one pitch without warming up, and then the same after warming up. And we compared the differences throughout this experiment. And as you will soon see, the results are very interesting.
We randomized 60 players and had them all go through two separate treatments, X and Y, and compared their data. We randomized the players by using equal strips of paper.
To find the probability of X, we use our calculator by going to second vars 0, which is the binomial PDF. If we were to use 5 for our population, that would be n. Our probability, 0.57, would be p, and the value of x you would want to choose would be k.
For Y, you would repeat what you did for X, but the only difference would be you would replace 0.57 with the probability of Y, which is 0.16 for P.
To find our probability, 0.57 and 0.16, we used our strikes, which was 32, divided by our total, which was 60. We also did 10 divided by 60. Standard deviation with a population of 5 would equal 1.107 for the value of x, and the value of y would equal 0.819. Mean with a population of 60 equals 34.2 for the value of x, and for the value of y, the mean of 60 equals 9.6. With the information we got from step 3, with the standard deviation of x equaling 0.945, with the standard deviation of y equaling 0.786.
For step 7 and 8. Step 7, the difference of mean of x and y equals the average of x minus the average of y, which equals 0.777. The difference of standard deviation equals the square root of standard deviation of x squared plus the standard deviation of y squared, which equals 1.372.
For value x, got an approximate symmetrical distribution. With the center of 1.525. And to get that number, we use the equation below. For the value of x, on average, 1.525 players will throw strikes down the middle with warm-ups. For the value of y, on average, 0.748 players will throw strikes down the middle without warm-ups.
If 5 players from the population were under the conditions of treatment Y and would have the second highest possible outcome would be 0. 1.049 times 10 to the negative 4th.